Why were the firefighters at the forest? Answer. The firefighters went to the forest to put out the fire. Why were the firefighters told to leave the forest? The fire could not be contained, and the firefighters were at risk. Did Sam agree to leave the forest at first? Answer is Sam did not agree at first. How can you tell? He was concerned that the forest fire could spread to the neighboring village if it was not contained. Each of the characters helped the injured lady. List how each of them helped her in his own way. Brian heard the lady calling for help and found her in the bushes. Sam, what did Sam do? Sam gave the lady medical attention. What did Jacob do? Jacob helped the lady onto the fire truck. Okay, which two of the following words correctly describe how Brian felt? In lines 8 to 12, put a tick in the box beside each of your answers. Do not tick more than 2 boxes. Answer is helpless and despondent. Which two words from lines 13 to 15 showed that the situation was serious? The two words are separate. It is grave and solemnly. Grave and solemnly. Right, 1, 2, and 3. The blanks below to indicate the order in which the events occurred in the story. First was Brian told the firefighters that they had to leave the forest. Secondly, the firefighters got up on the trucks. And thirdly, Brian heard Sam's voice over the walkie-talkie. Look at the table below. What do the words in the left column refer to in the passage? Write your answers in the column on the right. Okay, the words in line 3. What the words refer to. Instructions. For the firefighters. To stop fighting. The fire and leave the forest. Okay, what does this in line 11 refers to? But if we leave now, this fire may spread to the village nearby. We must contain it, protested Sam, one of the firefighters. Brian took a deep breath. I don't want to leave too, but if we stay, all of us will be in danger. We need to evacuate now. I'm responsible for all of you. Don't make this more difficult for me. Pupils can infer the answer by inferring from the previous lines. So this refers to leaving the scene without succeeding at the mission. What does something in line 17 refer to? As the firefighters were piling into the trucks, Brian thought he heard something. Brian strained his ears. There it was again, clear as day this time. Help me, cried the voice. Thus we can conclude that something refers to the call for help. So the word something refers to someone calling for help. So based on the story, state whether each statement in the table below is true or false. Then give one reason why you think so. Brian cared a lot about his fellow colleagues. He said that the safety of his colleagues were important too. Visibility was good in the forest. That's false. Brian said that it was hard to see through the thick smoke. The lady entered the forest before the fire started. True. The lady was already hiking in the forest when the fire started. Why did Brian feel that the mission was not futile? After all, support your answer by stating why it was not futile. Brian felt that even though they did not manage to put out the fire, at least they saved a lady life